Okay, so I own a lot of pair of jeans. I am in the process of cleaning out my closet, so I'm gonna try it on every single pair of jeans I own, tell you what brand, what size, and whether or not I'm gonna keep it or donate it. So let's get into it. I knew it was a lot. I knew it was a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I didn't think it was that much. I want you to know I'm not normally like this. I buy a lot of these jeans like to create content when I'm recreating the look. Gosh, this is a lot of pair of jeans. I saw Carrie Dayton do this video first and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. I didn't realize I had so many jeans. So I'm just gonna get into it. Pretty Little Things. Oh. Okay. It's like tight. I'm gonna say I dump this one. And I haven't worn them in a while, but I think I still like them. Yeah. Yeah. Super comfy. I'm gonna keep these. I'm not just gonna donate, like just randomly donate, but I'm also doing this. I think I saw this on as an ad on Instagram. You fill it with your old clothes. That. It's 27 gallons of water and 15 pounds of clothing for landfills. So it just makes me feel a little bit better about getting rid of my old clothes. I think the button, they're all so tight. Oh my God, they're so tight. The button popped off and I was like, I'm gonna fix it, and I never did. So yeah, no. These are from Old Navy and they're size 18s. So it fits, but the 16 fits a little bit better. Kind of loose, so let me show you the 16. Tighter, but if it's a skinny jean, don't mind. The scapping. Cool. These are from Target. I like the wash on this one. Yeah. Yeah. Keeping. ASOS. Yeah. I like the fit. Like it. Keeping it. Look at that. Look how they fit. You know what I mean? Cute. I do like these. And they're fun. Yeah. Keep. Oh, ASOS. Blue, or true blue color. I feel like I don't see people wear this one. It's very stretchy. It's super comfortable. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if this style is still in, but they're so comfortable that I'm gonna keep them because I don't have a wash like this and like this flare. I don't have a flare like this, so I'm gonna keep it for now. And yeah, kind of like a mom jean thing going. Yeah, going to keep it? Yes, for now. Jean, get that leather look. But they fit really well. Let me try on some more black jeans and see. Again, another one, I don't know if it'll stay in style. Look how big they are. Okay, this one, I had to start using a keyhole to keep up, so I don't know. That probably means it should be a no, but the back. I've always loved that. I thought it was cool, especially during the summer. You put this one on and like a little bikini, a top like this. Just kind of, it's real cool. I'm keeping it for now. What do you think? They fit really nicely. I think it's like side. Maybe. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. Much. They're a little tight. Oh. Tight. Let's say no. Carpenter style jeans. I like them. I think they're cool. And they're different. So I'm gonna keep them. Okay. Okay, so with these pair, they start to bunch as I walk. If I sit and they do this, and I have to keep pulling them out, so I'm gonna get rid of them. Yeah. Look at that. Fits perfectly. Very thin. A little, not loose, but I mean, they're comfortable. And they're one of those jeans where it's like, if I gain weight, they'll still fit. Or if I'm kind of bloated. But I don't know, is a skinny jean in? Do I have enough skinny jeans? I don't know. It's like a very nice blue wash too. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile, maybe. One of my favorites from Fashion and Figure. Look at that. It's a yes. It's definitely a yes. Oh, it fits really nicely. Again, I don't wear it though. A two-tone moment. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I'm gonna put it in the maybe. I'll revisit it. I swear I just had one just like this. Two just like this. One with the rip. One not. I feel like I don't need both of them though, so I need to get rid of some. One has a rip. These are comfy too. There's a little, I'm gonna get rid of these. Yes, it's giving, it doesn't fit. Oh, they're tight. Yeah, I don't remember them fitting that well the first time too. And they're super long. Okay, no. Skinny jean, Fashion and Figure. Whoa, it's a size 14. I'm a size 16 primarily. I could probably still fit this. Do I want to? We're gonna say no. These are my first ever Abercrombie jeans, like ever. I still love them so much. Yeah. Oh, these look a little dirty. But cute pair of jeans. I feel like I put these holes in, if I'm not mistaken. Gosh. It's very punk. I'm gonna say no. I think they can go. This one's from Fashion to Figure, and they have this band in here that is just amazing. Yeah. Okay. This I'm gonna say yeah to. I feel like I don't wear these though. They're cute. But will I wear them? I don't want to say no to them though, so I'm gonna keep them. These are some of my favorite pants to wear. It's a jogger from Target. Now, issue is they're a little big. They're actually pretty big. They're a 16-18, and I probably just need a 16. But they didn't have any 16s when I tried to buy them. So I went with the 16-18, and they're big. See? Kind of big. So what I normally do is I'll just kind of loop it in the belt loop like that, and then do that. Now, is it the best? No. But it kind of looks like it's a style. No, I'm not even doing this one. No. Is it no? What size is this? What's a UK 18? 14. These are size 14. That makes sense. But not least. Oh, it's a 14. I'll give this pair to my mom. She's a 14. Yeah, that's it. That's all the jeans. Okay, that was really good. I have to count how many I'm gonna donate. This is how many I'm donating. How many I'm keeping. So yeah, I'm gonna try again this year not to buy any more jeans. I don't need that many jeans. I'm trying to be less wasteful. I feel good. I think I did a good job. I'm gonna put a link to my favorite jeans so you can find some of the pairs that I wore. Some of them are old, but you know. But hope you liked the video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.